In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal on Expedia. Using PayPal as a payment method on Expedia is a convenient way to complete your bookings quickly and securely. It allows you to pay without directly entering your card details, making the checkout process smoother and more flexible. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to use PayPal when making a reservation on Expedia. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Expedia website. Once the homepage loads, start by searching for a reservation that fits your travel plans. This could be a hotel, flight, or vacation package. Enter your destination, travel dates, and any other required details, then proceed with the search. After the results appear, take your time browsing through the available options. Click on a listing that interests you to view more details. Here, you can explore photos, read descriptions, and review the amenities offered. This step helps you make an informed decision before moving forward with your booking. When you're ready to proceed, click the Reserve button. You may be asked to choose between paying immediately or paying later, depending on the option available. Select the option to pay now so you can continue to the payment section where PayPal can be used. As you move to the checkout page, you'll be prompted to enter your booking details, including any required contact information. Make sure everything is filled in accurately to avoid any issues with your reservation. Once that's complete, look for the payment section. In the payment options, you should see PayPal listed among the available methods. Click on the drop-down menu and select PayPal. After choosing it, you will be prompted to connect your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in securely and authorize the payment. Before completing the transaction, take a moment to review all your booking details, including the total cost and reservation information. Once everything looks correct, click the button to proceed with PayPal. You will be redirected to a secure checkout page where you can confirm your payment. After the payment is successfully processed, your booking will be confirmed and you're all set. Using PayPal not only adds convenience, but also provides an extra layer of security when making online transactions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.